Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'll walk you through making a Roblox Game Pass on your mobile in 2025. Let's get started. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming tips. All right, here we go. Exit the Roblox app and open a browser like Safari or Chrome. Tap the address bar, type create.roblox.com, and visit the site. Hit Login in the top right, sign in with your credentials, and tap Continue in Browser if needed. Then tap the three lines in the top left, select Creations, and pick an experience to add the Game Pass to. Next, tap the three lines again, scroll to Monetization, and select Passes. Tap Create a Pass, upload an image, add a name and description, then hit Create Pass. To put it on sale, tap the pass, hit the three lines, go to Sales, toggle it on, set a price, note you keep 70%, and save changes. Share the link via the three dots for easy access. And that's it. You've successfully made a Roblox Game Pass on mobile. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.